Today, a new word has popped up in the dictionary. It is called human ecology. What is human ecology? Human ecology is about human resources, what we have in the inner dimension of each and every person. We have compassion, we have empathy, we have kindness. We need to give these resources to planet Earth because planet Earth is already wounded and bleeding and it's dying because we exploited its natural resources. Stop exploiting planet Earth's natural resources. Start digging human resources of love and kindness and compassion and empathy. So here are the 8 rules of human ecology. Compassion. God is compassion. Compassion is the substance of life. It is the very ground of being. Therefore, every act of creation, whether it is an act of self-limitation or the giving of form to life within the structures of creation, is an expression of this divine compassion. The same compassion is also infused in every human being. And God shows compassion towards us. He is merciful, and we can also be merciful and compassionate towards earth and towards other animals and towards other creatures, towards other even elements of the earth. Number 2, non-violence. In India it's called Ahimsa. Every human should vow not to hurt any living being. Non-violence is an invisible revolution. It has the capacity to change people and the communities at the deepest level. Non-violence is the contemporary instrument for spiritual, economic, social, political, and personal transformation. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation India, once described non-violence to a friend as a total absence of ill will towards any form of life. It is pure love. That is why the spirit of non-violence embraces both persons and nature. Number 3, sacrifice. Every human being is a symbol of sacrifice. Sacrifice is a surrender of something of value as a means of gaining something more desirable or of preventing some evil. When it comes to ecology and environment, sacrifice is the key to sustainable development. Every human being should be willing to give up an extra television, game console, extra computer, multiple cell phones, electric water heaters, air conditioners, car, and planes. Only through sacrifice we can conserve resources for the future generations. Number 4, sharing. Sharing means giving something as an outright gift. For example, to share one's food with someone as a gift and thus limit further exploiting resources. When we share with other people, we don't have to exploit further our natural world. Number 5, conservation. Every human being's primary role is to care, love, protect, conserve, and save all life on earth. Conservation may be focused on saving one species or all the species in one particular place or all that come together to make one ecosystem function. Number 6, working for a sustainable development. Every human being should denounce all forms of unsustainable forms of developments. Sustainable development means a chance to raise standards of living in the present without destroying future generations' ability to meet their own needs. Number 7, persuaded by ethics and moral. Every human being has to be always persuaded by the ethical and moral standards that guide right and wrong conduct. Every human person should have values and righteousness. The last, number 8, pro-life all the way. Every human being should help promote life, not only human, but all life on earth. One species is better than the other. Humans can help themselves by protecting life, but in the past they have taken away a lot from the earth. Please have a heart and save the little creatures that were here before us all. God doesn't want one species to reign above all, but all to be equal. None is better than the other. All life is valued. Thank you.